Yes, so now we can discuss about top 5 programming languages for cloud computing. Nowadays, cloud computing is extensively increasing like anything for backup, restore, and communication also. So, cloud computing is one of the major technologies that is ruling the market with the range of computing services. It offers storage, then database, software, analytics, networks, intelligence, etc. to name a few. The motto is to enhance innovation, have flexible resources and economies of scale that is also impacting the employability of the experts. Cloud is used in several ways such as software as services. That is SaaS, software as a service. That is SaaS, platform of service. That is PaaS, and infrastructure as a service. That is IaaS, IaaS. However, this can be made possible with the help of programming languages that experts can use to boost productivity, enhance security, low development cost, increase speed, etc. Dear friends, I am also preparing the notes to explain you without missing the option. So that I am also preparing a note in a notepad in my computer. Then I am explaining things without missing the options. Now we can go to the subject again. Here are the programming languages that experts must possess to thrive in cloud computing technology. What are the best cloud computing technology programming languages are vast? What? Then we can discuss. That is Java. And then Java is there, .NET is there, JavaScript is there, Python is there, and Ruby is there. These are the top five programming languages for cloud computing. Java. Java is one of the oldest programming languages that are in the market due to its object-oriented and general-purpose nature. The developers and experts must have a good idea about the Java programming language. It is easy to use, robust, and offers security. So, Java is one of the oldest programming languages that are in the market due to its object-oriented and general-purpose nature. The developers and experts must have a good idea about the Java programming language. It is easy to use, robust, and offers security to the cloud. So, especially regarding the Java, it is at about 1995 to 2005, it is ruling like anything regarding in the internet technologies, especially Java is going on very well. Then afterwards, the competitor has come, that is .NET. So now we can discuss about .NET. Microsoft Word owned ASP.NET is used for web applications and web development, but it can be a great platform for the cloud computing language as well. ASP.NET can be used to provide cutting-edge solutions and dynamic web pages in cloud computing. But one of the disadvantage of ASP.NET is it is taking number of pages for creating the code and all this. But you are writing some few things only, but internally in the background it will create so many pages. So some disadvantages are there, even though ASP.NET is also a very good tool in internet technologies, especially in cloud computing. But afterwards, it has been matured to .NET technologies, and ASP, it's not ASP.NET, in the .NET has been increased. ASP.NET can be used to provide cutting-edge solutions and dynamic web pages in cloud computing. The large code is minimized in .NET. So large code is minimized in .NET. In .NET, along with separating the content and logic to keep hurdles to a minimum. Then further thing is that is front end. It will be called as a front end language, that is JavaScript. If you have not considered Node, not just JS, then it can be a scalable and speedy cloud computing, cloud programming language that is highly effective and manipulate for the development of end-to-end applications. The features include asynchronous communication pattern and non-blocking, allowing experts to handle the connections. So, this is the third top 5 languages we are discussing about for cloud computing. So, top 5 programming languages for cloud computing. JavaScript is also one, and fourth one is Python. If you know your way around Java, then Python can be a cakewalk for you. It is a programming language that is readable and is a high level language. The features include community, productivity, speed, extensive support, libraries, open source development, and third party modules. But one of the best advantage in Python is, suppose in Java integer in Java, suppose you are writing variables means integer and ID number, and likewise you have to write everything double, that is another variable you have to write likewise. So variables are also you should write clearly what is integer, what is string, and what is double. Double means integer extension, that is 22.667 means it will be considered as a double type of integer. Likewise, but Python will not, you need not give anything. Suppose variable you are giving means automatically by the data type it will write itself. That is, artificial intelligence is also included in this library, so that it is immutability is very high. So many people are using in Python for it is also a best programming language for cloud computing. And the next one is Ruby. It is not now so popular, but it is becoming also popular for the time being. Ruby can be a great programming language for cloud computing experts with a perfect blend of ease of use, functionality, and reliability. Ruby can be used as a cloud computer programming language that use more than 60,000 libraries, frameworks to develop the software. This is the information regarding Ruby. Ruby is also upcoming programming language in cloud computing. This is the information I want to share with you. Likewise, these are the top 5 best programming languages for cloud computing. So what is cloud computing is? It is what is the use of this cloud computing is, already we discussed that it offers storage. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing offers storage. Data storage means information storage, data storage, whatever it may be, and database, software, analysis, networks, and intelligence, etc. To name a few. This will be called as cloud computing. Cloud computing. These are the 5 programming languages we can use very well in cloud computing. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.